Hi boys and girls, for the next few weeks we're going to be talking about numbers. So we're going to use the Easy Write Set 2 Numbers Worksheet packets and we're going to complete that. So take it out please. It starts off in the packet with number 2. So we're going to show you how to make the number 1. To make the number 1 is you start on the top line, make a tall line down to the writing line and pick up. That is the number 1. O-N-E, 1. To make the number 2, you start at 10 o'clock and you make a rainbow curve the way we read and write. And then you go down the slide to the writing line and easy across on the writing line. That is the number 2. So here, let's go to our first worksheet page. Again, let's practice writing it. The number 2. Put your finger a small step down from the top line at 10 o'clock. Make a rainbow curve. This is practicing our rainbow curve the way that you read and write. So I'm going to start over here. Small step down from the top line at 10 o'clock. We're going to make a rainbow curve the way you read and write. And then go down the steps to the writing line and make an easy across line. So let's go to the next line, and we're going to start by making a rainbow curve. You start at just a step down, and you make a rainbow curve the way that you read and write. Now we're going to make a number 2 on this line. Start a small step down at 10 o'clock, rainbow curve, and then down the steps and easy across. Practice your 2s on this line. On this line, we're going to practice our 1s, which is you start at the top line and you make a tall line down to the writing line. On this line, I would like you to practice 1s and 2s. Same with the bottom row line. When you're done with that first page, then you're going to go on to this page. You're going to count how many animals and either write 1 or 2 on the line. Like this. Let's count. 1, 2 tigers. So on this line, we would write the number 2. Let's practice on the next line. How many monkeys? You're right. 1. Write the number 1. When you are finished, please take a picture and send it to your teacher. Thank you. Good job today.